Jen from Love Always Jen, and for today's video I'm going to be making some red enchiladas. I'm making homemade enchiladas. This is my second time making it. They're just cheese enchiladas, so if you guys want to see how I did it, then just keep watching. Okay, to start off, I'm going to be using these guajillo chili pods. I'm using 7 to 14 because I want to make a lot of the red sauce. I believe I used about 8 or 10, but it's up to you. The more chili pods you add, the more sauce you get. And then we're gonna chop off the ends of the stems, and then we're gonna kind of open it up a little bit just to try to get all the seeds out. It's okay if there's like a little bit of seeds left in there still, but you want to take most of the seeds out. That way it's not too spicy. Unless you like it spicy, you can leave in more seeds, but I don't like it spicy, so I took out pretty much all the seeds out of all of my chilies. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the chile de árbol. I'm using 3 of them. You can do more or less, it's up to you. I'm using 3 of them. And then I'm also using chile pasilla. I'm gonna do about 4 of those. And then I'm also gonna cut off the stems like I said and take out the seeds on the inside. So now that all the stems are cut off and the seeds are out, I'm going to put all the chilies into a pot of boiling water for about 10 to 15 minutes. You don't want to leave it in for too long, just as long as they're pretty much soft. Also, make sure you add enough water to cover the chili pods. I ended up adding more water. Now that they're all done being boiled, I'm going to add all the chili pods to a blender with about half an onion, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, salt and pepper, and a little bit of the boiling water. So I was using a small blender, so I ended up just doing it in half. I did the first half, blended it, and then I blended the second half. Okay, so I put most of the sauce into a bowl. I have some extra right there. And now I'm going to get some oil and put it on a pan to heat up. And now I'm going to use this little strainer to pour the red chili sauce into the pan with oil. We're trying to get the chunkier pieces to stay in the strainer and get most of the liquid from the chili pods into the pan. If you need to add a little bit of water to get more of that sauce out, go ahead and add some water to the top and kind of mash it down. So now that that's done, we're just gonna let the red enchilada sauce boil for a little bit. So now I am adding more oil to the pan. I cleaned the pan, added more oil, let that heat up, and now I have my corn tortillas. I'm dipping them into the red enchilada sauce, and then I'm placing them in the pan to cook. And as they're in the pan, kind of cooking on one side, that's when I'm going to add the shredded cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese. And then once you add the cheese, you can fold over the tortilla. That way it can kind of melt together. And then once it's pretty melted, you can just flip it over. So that way you can do both sides and then take it out and do the rest. So it's all done now. I added some rice as a side and some cheese on top. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was somewhat helpful. I hope it was somewhat helpful for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to if you're new, hit the subscribe button if you haven't. And I'll see you in my next video.
Check out Jen and Wes.
Check out our channel, and yeah, subscribe to our channels if you haven't already.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
It's good for us, good for you.